Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today we are making naan bread, a very simple and a basic recipe of super soft naan bread on a pan. We are not gonna use the oven at all. It's really easy to make this super soft naan bread at home with ingredients which are already available in your kitchen. If you will enjoy this recipe, then please don't forget to hit the like button, and if you are new to our channel, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming videos. So let's start making this naan bread. To make naan bread, I'm going to use 4 cups of self-raising flour and add 1.5 teaspoon of salt. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda and mix them well. Once they're mixed well, then I'm going to use yogurt to knead the dough for this recipe. I'm going to use plain natural yogurt. So just add 4 to 5 tablespoons first and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Knead the dough, and for 4 cups of flour I'm using about 3 cups of yogurt. The quantity of yogurt depends on the thickness of the yogurt you're using, so you may need more or less than that. That's why add yogurt little by little and keep kneading it. For naan, it's important to know that how much you need to knead the dough, as at the moment if you will stretch the dough, then it will come apart. As you can see, it's coming apart very easily. There is no stretchiness in it. So we need to knead the dough further until it becomes quite stretchy. For that, I'm going to use some flour on the board and going to knead it further. It will take just about 2 to 3 minutes, and then you can try again. We need to prepare a semi-soft dough. Dough for naan should not be too hard or too soft. Let's check to stretch the dough again. Just stretch it. As you can see that this time it's stretching a lot before it's coming apart. It means that it's ready now. So let's bring the dough together. So I'm going to use the same bowl and grease the bowl with some oil and then place the dough in it. Make sure to spread some oil on the dough as well. That's done. And then wrap the bowl with either cling film or with wet cloth. Let it rest for about 1 to 2 hours. You will notice that dough has raised. Now knead it a little bit to get rid of any bubbles in the dough. This dough is now ready. Let's bring it together. Now to make naan bread, pinch a small portion of the dough and make a smooth ball. To roll the dough, try not to use flour. Just spread some oil on the surface and on the rolling pin. Press the dough ball and place it on the greased surface and roll it with a rolling pin. Make sure to roll it thin because it's gonna start raising on the heat. Your first roll is now done. Do the same with rest of the dough. Take a small bowl and press it gently and use a rolling pin, roll it to make a thin round or oval shape. On the other side, get the pan ready on medium heat. Once pan is hot, then put some water on one side and place that side down on the pan. Press the sides to stick it on the pan and make sure that pan is not too hot, otherwise the bottom side will get crispy quickly and dough will not stick to the bottom of the pan. Now flip the pan and cook the naan on high flame. As you can see, it's getting a lot of bubbles and dough is raising as well. Keep moving the pan and keep checking to cook the naan evenly. And when it's done, then flip it again and let the bottom side cook properly. When you're able to take the bottom side off with a scraper easily, then it means that it's done. Take it off the pan and place it on the plate. Spread some ghee or butter on it. It goes really well with any curry, and because it's quite soft, you can use any stuffing to make a wrap with it. As you can see, it's really soft. And the back side of this naan is also cooked really well like a tandoori naan. I've tried a lot of different recipes of naan, but this one goes perfectly well. And if you want me to share a recipe of a naan with a plain flour, then please don't forget to leave your comments in the comment section. Soon I will be bringing a lot of different variations using same naan dough, so please stay connected. And if you have enjoyed this video, then please click the like button, and to stay connected for different variations, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Make sure to click on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. You can also choose to watch our next video or a playlist from the screen, and you can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or a link mentioned in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy and stay connected.